现在就让我们一起来欣赏客家音乐。
Hey, it's time for another Hakka song on ICRT. I'm Joseph Lin, and this is Liu Sirong with a song called Catfish, or Tong Set. That's right, you heard me right, Catfish. It's actually a song about her father, how once when he went out fishing, and at one moment he saw a catfish charging towards him with its terrifying mouth wide open. This seems like a catfish from the underworld, and maybe I can send a message to my mom and dad and ask if they're doing well. Well, this gesture and story shows how much love his dad has for his grandparents, but also shows how he diffuses a situation with positive thoughts. Let's take a listen to it right now. It's Tong Set.
Tong Set, 表爸潮來潮去，爸爸記在唱錯嘅講法。嘅Tong Set有兩條夫妻。就像天牛嘅絲澤Tong Set Tong Set你來做乜嘅Tong Set Tong Set你來做乜嘅細流風貼到胸下山風煙囪Tong Set Tong Set我把紅毛Tong Set Tong Set我咪紅Tong Set Tong Set我把紅毛Tong Set Tong Set我咪紅毛
刘世荣这首歌叫 Tong Set， 听起来像 Tosa， 对不对？没错，就是鲶鱼的意思。而这个故事呢，是关于他父亲有一回在钓鱼，在收竿的时候呢，看到一只鲶鱼很勇猛的扑向他，而这时候他反而想说，这 Tong Set 是不是从阴间来的使者？如果是的话，倒想要问他远行的爸爸妈妈还好吗？而刘世荣就是唱出这样子对亲人的思念。All right, that's all the time we have. See you next time.
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.